Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm making a homemade nitric acid. Okay, so um, here I have a hot water, so it's boiling a while ago, but right now it's cooled down. And here I have mixed hydrochloric acid, or commonly known as muriatic acid. Okay, so for reference, uh, here is my muriatic acid. So you can see the color, and yeah, so hydrochloric acid, that's 15%. So 15% concentration. You're going to use a little bit of your stoichiometry to calculate how much uh, reactants you need. So for this, here I've used the KNO3, or potassium, yeah, KNO3. Potassium nitrate, if I'm not mistaken. So, or some fertilizers, because we have a lot of fertilizers here. Yeah, fertilizers. And then I powdered it up. Then try the reaction shown in the video, and it works. So for reference, you can see that the color is very different. So this is the hydrochloric acid, HCl, and then this one is more brownish, yellow brown, if you can call it like that. And the color difference tells you that this is nitric acid indeed. So yay! So but what one thing I've learned is, do not use kitchen tools, ordinary kitchen tools. You must have proper tools, because suddenly uh, use the glass and drink up some, and it doesn't taste that good. And yeah, so for safety precautions, use the right materials or right instruments. Okay, so here we're waiting for the reaction to complete. As you can see, there are more salts below, and we are waiting for that reaction to complete, and then this will turn into, let's say, 15% or 68% of concentration of muriatic acid, because that's the maximum that you can get. And I am so happy about the color, because it tells me that this is a good indeed, in the concentration range that I am needing. Okay, so if you want to try this at home, don't try this at home without proper knowledge of chemistry, because you might hurt yourself. Okay, all right, so yeah, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Bye bye guys, see you next time.